Hello, artists! We are at day 7. Day 7 of our 30-day challenge of doing backgrounds. Woo-wee! How's it going? How do you feel about this project? Are you learning something new playing with your products? Remember, if you don't have the exact same stuff that I do, use products that you have, or maybe use combinations of two. I mean, I have easily 30 different types of art supplies, but if you don't have that much stuff, be sure to use what you have and let's work with it. Let's see what we can make. Let's see what we can do. That's what this is all about. I'm digging it. I hope you are too. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Now, since this is our first week, we are looking at prizes. I have been adding to the goodie bag, trying to make a really nice, cool prize for you. I have some little journals, some stuff that I haven't even opened up yet. This one somehow got open. I'm destashing my stash. Ooh, look at, I even put in a couple of old issues of Somerset magazine for you in here. Remember, this will all go into a large FedEx Express box, and if you go through and you watch every single video that's in this series, and if you write down the keyword that I mention in every single video, and then you send it to Kat Austin via private messenger over on Messy Hand Band of Artists page, then whomever has the most correct words, or all the correct words, your name goes into a hat, and then we pick out one winner out of there. And there will be better prizes added to that. You guys know I like to make some good prizes. Yes, I do. So there's your contest rundown. Just watch every video for the month of May, or April, and catch the keyword. You do have to like and comment on each video though, okay? We can do that, right? Yes, we can. Ooh, what are we working with today? I got stuff on it. It looks like that says art crayons. So I picked up some art crayons also at that Hobby Lobby sale that I got the, I did do a little extra work to this, the India ink at, and I've never opened them up. So these are different types of art crayons. I have probably 3 or 4 different brands of art crayons. So I'm gonna go grab our supplies and let's get down to the table. Bye. Okay guys, let's see what we got here. These are really beautiful colors. Now these art crayons were in the actual art supply aisle and not the scrapbooking aisle. So if you see that like Hobby Lobby is having a big sale, I would really suggest to go over into the actual art supplies and see what they have over there. Now this says that it is a watercolor crayon. It's super smooth, nicely blendable, but let's see what happens when we add a little water to it. Now this brush has some Mod Podge on it, or gesso or something. So let's get that cleaned out. Okay, let's see what we can make out of this. That white is from the gesso. Well, let's see here though. Let's wait a minute. Now this has some Mod Podge on it already. As you can see, this paper got messy when I did, somehow got messy. But we're going to let that just be part of the background. Let's see, was that this color? I'm not going to freak out about that being that way. Because I do want to go back and do something with all of these beautiful pieces of paper that I'm creating. And what that will be, I'm not quite sure yet. Ooh, look at how beautiful and creamy that color is. Wow. That was impressive. Cool thing is here though too is what if you were to combine this with Mod Podge? I bet on the back side this color is going to look really beautiful. I think that's really cool actually. See how this green works with this red. I'm just kind of going with that same type of shape due to just putting down the ink or the product and seeing what happens. I'm kind of enjoying going with that same directional feel, almost the same color palettes, the same, you know, just to see what I can make out of these things. Now that is a beautiful blue. Let's see what happens when we mix them together. Let's bring in some yellow. Okay, well, I think that's it. I'm gonna stop playing with it. I think those are really cool. I will definitely be leaving these out on my art table. They're very creamy, very smooth. I dig them. I dig these quite a bit. Didn't think I would like them this well, or I would have taken them out a lot earlier. So again, that's why we're doing this project, so that we can see what our products do. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day, and we'll chat soon.